If you've been searching for a project management tool that can genuinely keep up with the pace of modern teams, then you've probably heard the name ClickUp more than once. And in 2025, it's not just keeping up, it's trying to replace half the apps you already use. Today, we're breaking down the real pros, cons, and best uses of ClickUp so you can decide if it's worth integrating into your workflow this year. ClickUp has built its reputation on being the everything app for work, and that hasn't changed. What has changed is how far its customization can go. You can tailor nearly every aspect, statuses, fields, workflows, to match exactly how your team operates. Whether you're running agile sprints in software development or coordinating content production for a marketing team, you can mold the platform to mirror your exact process rather than forcing your team into someone else's structure. One of the biggest reasons people switch to ClickUp is the promise of consolidation. You get docs, whiteboards, built-in chat, a calendar, goals, dashboards, practically an entire suite of productivity tools under one roof. For many teams, this means fewer subscriptions, fewer tabs, and fewer headaches. And with more than 15 ways to view your work, from Gantt charts to mind maps, it gives everyone the freedom to see projects in the layout they understand best. But 2025's biggest upgrade is ClickUp's AI, ClickUp Brain. It can generate project plans, summarize long documents, write tasks for you, and even automate scheduling. Instead of just managing your work, it starts participating in it, shaving hours off repetitive processes so your team can stay focused on actual problem solving. Now, ClickUp doesn't get everything right. The same customization that makes it powerful can also make it intimidating. New users often feel overwhelmed because the platform can do so much. If your team doesn't have someone to set up and maintain the system, it's easy to fall into configuration overload. Some users still report occasional lag, especially in massive workspaces, and a few of the built-in tools, like the chat, aren't quite as polished as what you'd find in dedicated apps like Slack. Even so, ClickUp continues to shine for startups, growing teams, cross-functional departments, and anyone who needs deep customization at a price that doesn't punch you in the wallet. Its free plan alone offers unlimited users and tasks, making it one of the most generous options out there. So, is ClickUp worth it in 2025? If you want a centralized, customizable AI-powered workspace that scales with you, it's one of the strongest platforms available. It's not the simplest tool on the market, but for teams ready to level up, it's an incredibly capable all-in-one solution. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to stick around for more breakdowns like this. Peace.